Hello everyone. We are a team of 4 members working on Salesforce admin project. Our team followed a structured project development process and we divided the task module wise. Each member worked independently for the identification phase and we brought together as a one project. Let's explain the project. First, we created a account on the developer first we created a account on the Salesforce developer account that is with that team leader name and click on this gear icon and next setup. And in setup, first we created the object. In object, we can say the object like leave, asset service, asset project, task project, and we also created the employee object in such a employee, and we can say the object manager there. Click on it. After clicking on the setup, the page appear like this. In setup, in object manager, we created a 5 object. Employee, project task, asset service. In search bar, search for employee. Click on employee manager. In setup, search for the employee. Click on this employee. And we created the employee object here. In the employee object, we can see the fields and relationship. Click on it. In fields and relationship, we created here 26 items. Address, age, cab balances, cab. In click on the page layout. In page layout, we created a employee layout, on-site employee layout, remote page layout. And for all the object, we created a page layout on the field and relationship. Click on this 9 dots and click on view all. We launched the click on app launcher, and in this we created our lightning app, and our lightning app name is the Workforce Administration Solution. Click on it, and after opening we can see all the 5 objects we created: employee, project task, asset services, and these dashboards and reports. Or when creating a lightning app, we choose the report and dashboard. Click on the employee, click on the new employee, and in page layout we created your on-site employee and the remote employee. Create on on-site employee. Click next. In on-site employee we have your allowances, cab balance, food and Wi-Fi, but in remote employee we have a Wi-Fi allowances. Depend upon our requirement, we create a place layout. Just click on on-site remote and you can just we are giving a new employee record. And for date of birth we have a format, and for this format we wrote the program. Address and employee name, gender, qualification, tech, login. We can give all this information and click on the on-site employee and move, save and new. And the information is saved. And for the project also, we have click on the project. After project, click on the new project. For new project also, we have for the project task in the Lightning app, we can edit the employee details and all the things, what the employee are doing and which project they are working, how many hours they are working. We all created and we created all these tasks without any code. And click on the setup. And click on this icon. Click on team name. Created a charter group. Also in charter group, we created welcome to the internal discussion group. Here you can post anything related to the ongoing project. This is a charter group we created. That's it.
Click on setup. Click on this gear icon and click on setup. Click on object manager and search for employee. Click on this employee and then record types. Click on this gear icon and select the setup. And click on Object Manager. Click on this gear icon and select on Setup. Click on Object Manager and search for Employee. Then select Employee. Click on Record Types. In this, we already created two record types. Those are on-site employee and remote employee. Click on this on-site employee. And then remote employee. Next, permission sets. In permission sets, click on this space and click on reports. We created three reports. Those are employees report, and assets with employees name report. And then under the dashboards, we created two dashboards. Those are dashboard number 1 and dashboard number 2. Coming to the approval process, click on this gear icon and then setup. Click on Object Manager and search for leave. Click on this leave. In fields and relationships, we created description, employee's name and number of days and status object. And then click on home and search for approval process. Click on this approval process. Here we already create a leave approval request. Then click on this. The page will be like this. Under initial submission actions, we add a new field, that is field update. And the description is approval status to be submitted. Under the approval steps, approval from HR, and then approval status to be approved from under final approval action. Under final rejection action, we created a approval status to be rejected. This is like this. And next, coming to the Apex trigger. In Apex trigger, click on this gear icon and right click on developer console, open link in new tab. Click on this file and then open. Click on triggers. Here I already created an employee insert trigger. Then click on this. I'll explain the code. This is the Apex trigger name employee insert that runs before inserting a new employee record. And the next line for loop is used. It loops through each new employee record using trigger.new. It loops through each new employee record using trigger new. For each record, it performs a SQL query to find if any existing employee has the same employee name. If a match is found, my new dot size greater than 0, it adds an error to prevent insertion. The error message displayed is employee with same name is existing. Testing the trigger. This code is working or not. Let us check. Click on first space under the employee. Click on new. Select the record type as on-site employee. And next, give the under the information, employee name is Jackie Chan. It is already there. It shows the employee name is already there. So our code is working. That's it.